Welcome to our guide on how to pin someone on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Opening the Snapchat app on your Android device allows you to access the platform and begin the process of pinning a conversation. Step 2. Navigating to the chat screen by swiping right from the camera screen directs you to the area where your chats are displayed. Step 3. Pressing and holding on the friend's name or the group you wish to pin initiates the action of selecting that specific conversation. Step 4. Tapping on chat settings from the options that appear after holding down on the friend's name or group provides additional settings for that conversation. Step 5. Selecting Pin Conversation from the options allows you to pin the chosen conversation to the top of your chat screen for easy access. By following these simple steps, you can easily prioritize your important conversations on Snapchat. Let's get started.